Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com and howtobechicandelegant.com. And today I have received a parcel of beautiful silk items from Lilysilk. And I wanted to show you what I have. So first of all, look at the beautiful boxes. I've got two items there. Oh, heavy one and a light one. I wonder what this is. Okay, so let's have a look at what is in the first box. Let's open this. Oh, what could it be? So you have this paper there. So, this silk black blouse. I didn't have one, so this one is a silk blouse with see-through. So it's to wear, I would wear this with either a black top with spaghetti straps or something over it like a cardigan or a jacket, something like that. So let's have a look at this little blouse. So this is the silk blouse. So I'm wearing it with my skirt because I would probably wear it with a black skirt or black trousers, but I thought if I'm wearing it with my red skirt you would see better the it looks like. So oh, really love it. It's really delicate. I love the neckline with a little tie here. You can make it in bows if you like. I like it like that. And the sleeves, really nice. So wearable, soft in silk, 100% silk. And I'm wearing a top underneath with really thin straps because it's really see-through, so you wouldn't be able to wear it just over your bra unless you're wearing a jacket over it. So really nice. So let's see what is in the second box. Ooh, heavy. So let's have a look at the second one. Ooh, a cardigan, a beautiful cardigan. You can see, so it's a simple one and it's got little ribs on the side here and at the back. And some mother of pearl buttons. Des boutons nacrés, we say in French. So this is the cardigan. And you can see a detail at the back here. So really nice. So I could wear it with this blouse, no problem. Opened up like this or closed up, you know, all buttoned up if I didn't have the top underneath. But also, you know, I could put a jacket with the blouse as well. Look at the sleeves here. I can show the bottom of the sleeves if I wanted to. I can just bring the sleeves like this and just show the end of the blouse. I really like it. Lovely detail. And the cardigan is 85% silk and 15% cashmere, so it's going to be really warm for winter. It's really soft and a good length as well. This one is a medium. So voila, I'm going to try it with a jacket so you can see this top with the blouse with the jacket will look nice. So with a jacket like this, again it would look really nice. Or you could wear the blouse also under a v-neck sweater, under a dress, you know, very versatile. You know, I just knotted the tie here, but you can unknot it as well, you know, just knot it simply. Really like it. blouse is amazing with the cardigan. So you can see already the versatility of these items. Really versatile, highly wearable. So these two items come from the company Lilysilk, and it's, you know, if you want some silk items that are affordable, I recommend it. Really lovely items, and as you can see, and very versatile. So something like that pour les fêtes, as we say in French, for celebrations that are coming very soon. The Christmas celebration, that would be nice for parties or for Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve as well. So this is something I will really look after and cherish. So please let me know how you would wear this blouse and this cardigan. I will put some links below this video for these items, and thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!